What's up, guys? Someone asked me to do a Liguan video, a drive tour, passing Jollibee at the moment, but that's pretty much our route for today. We're gonna loop around Liguan. Shout outs to Mike. We're gonna loop around Liguan here in Dededo. Show you some virtual tour of how it looks. About 2 weeks after the Mawar, Super Typhoon Mawar hit Guam. So I hope you guys are enjoying. Right now we just passed the mall and we're on Marine Drive. We're gonna take that right that's near Mobile, and we'll start off the tour around there. For now, I hope you guys are all good and safe. I hope you guys got power and water and good Wi-Fi service and gas and food, and you know, you're all just doing good after this Super Mawar experience. We are still in a disaster relief situation, so any help from any neighboring islands to Guam is greatly appreciated. I'm just doing these virtual tour videos as well as showing you kind of updates of how Guam looks at the moment. But yeah, thank you again for everyone that's watching and leaving comments. I appreciate you guys. I'm not sure if this driving tour is kind of cool. I usually do walking tours, so I'll try to do this a little slower when I do drive. Anyways, we're gonna go through a pedestrian area, housing area, so we should be driving slow in the first place. Taking a right here, and here you go. We're heading into Liguan. Looks like this big tree fell over. We'll go like this, sideways, so you guys can kind of see more of the area, the street, rather than just the road, you know? A lot of debris here. We'll start off the tour here and go in the whole loop. This area here in Liguan is actually like, I call it behind the Micronesia Mall, Liguan. Yeah, behind Mall, Liguan. That's this area to me. Hold on. Fix this camera first a little bit. Alright. It looks like this park over here in Liguan is actually like, I don't know, debris area. It's like a collection site here, you know? It says no dump. And that's like a playground park over there. And there's a bus stop. Signature Guam style bus stop. Of course, with signature people drinking. It's like a lot of waste here. I've never seen this house. This is a nice house. Whoever houses this, shout outs to you. Got some graffiti over here. Yeah, good shit. So this is Liguan, Dededo. There's some trees that are holding down some lines. That guy's playground blew over. There's some down lines here I could see, and a lot of, like, you know, debris on the road. You can kind of see the back of the mall, Micronesia Mall. We're passing Gao Gao's Court, and this one right here is called Granda Court on my right, and then we got Gomela Court. Yeah. And this is Hasman Court. This actually goes in a loop around. The cool part about Liguan is, yeah, it's like a cool community. All the roads kind of loop and courts, or they loop, you know. But this is how Liguan, behind Liguan, looks at the moment. 2 weeks after Super Typhoon Mawar. Yeah, some cool kids over there doing some yard work, cleaning up debris on my left over here. I don't know if you can see it. graffiti wall and debris. I like those escapes. Shout outs to you. Okay, so we would take right if we were gonna go to the mall, but we're gonna go straight ahead over here. I know this area of Liguan still doesn't have power. I have some family and friends that live in this area. This house over here, you can see someone's like living in a tent over there, you know, to get some coolness. Yeah, guys, so we're just crossing. Passing Kafu Court. This one also loops. But we're not trying to loop into anyone's court, you know, because on Guam, if that's kind of sketchy. People already assume that you're scoping out their house to be a saki, a stealer, you know, a crook, robbing them. But yeah, we're just doing this virtual driving tour. But on Guam, if you drive real slow and you're not from that area or court, it looks like you're scoping out the place to go, you know, saki. But we're not doing that. We're just giving you there's Lemai Street. We're just giving you a driving tour of how Liguan looks at the moment. I think I'll take the turn on the right that leads you to the what's that called? The soccer association field, and take a left, and this would be the end of this tour. But I might loop around and just show you all this other way. We'll go all the way around again. But yeah, this is Liguan. Liguan Dededo. Liguan for life. I actually used to live over here in this area, man. And I'm very fond of this area because I used to just skate these sidewalks going to and from Tumon, you know. Oh, cool. We got some, this is Docomo doing some power lines or whatever, cable lines for Docomo. Maybe there's good Wi-Fi in the area, I'm not sure. But yeah. Right now we're passing Piao Court. Yeah, I don't know. This is a cool house. It's like castle. Shout outs to your house, whoever owns that house. It's very interesting seeing houses here in Liguan because each one is kind of built unique, you know, I would say, and they have like their own unique kind of fence. Yeah. This is Talisay Court on my left, but yeah. I used to ride a public school bus. This was one of the bus stops I would get off at, and then I would walk home. I think I'll actually do, I'll take a left, I'll show you the school, and then we'll go straight and then do another U-turn and then head over out of here. That's my friend's house just down there. We're taking a left here in Chalan, Liguan. Shout outs to whoever lives in Liguan and, you know, who still are here. This is Baba Court, East and West Baba Court, and just about a few, maybe 150 feet, we got a school district. This is the Liguan Elementary School on my left. It's right there where that bus stop is at. This is Liguan Elementary School, and then there's also this park over here. It's closed off, and then there's like some mailboxes and stuff. Hey, there's kids there playing basketball. That's cool. I love seeing kids out in the streets playing. It's more cooler than watching them just stay home and play games, you know? In my opinion. Because well, I grew up like that. There you go, Liguan Elementary School. Oh, damn, that tree is still up. I don't know if you see that tree, that big pine tree besides this debris right here. There's a really high pine tree that's been here for years, man. That's cool, man. Whoever's house is this, that's cool. That tree has been alive. There's a down power line right here. We started our tour actually in that street, but we're gonna bust a U here. Turn into this court. Yeah, we're good. Got a homie that lives in the street. He has some band practice here and there. All right, here we go. Well, we're passing by again the school, but now it's on the right side. This is Sabello Court. This is Liguan, Dededo Guam. School took a beating on their gate over there. There's some kids in the park. That's cool, man. There's a Lions Club thing over here. Yeah. Some houses there. And some other stuff here I don't think I showed. This is Banalo's Court, West Banalo Court. That's on my right side at the moment. And Baba Court right here. We got Anonas Court, and this is the turn that we took in. We're gonna actually go straight this way, on the four-way over here, and you'll probably see the soccer field. We might bust a U there and then turn around and come out this way later, just so you guys get a good feel of Liguan. This area doesn't have that much debris, probably that down there, my homie's old house. His tin roof looks like it got pulled. Shout outs to Josh. Your house is kind of whatevs right now, man, but got some debris. And then of course straight ahead is that football thing I was talking about. That's also another way out. If you take a right here, you can go to Liguan. If you take a left here, you can go to Dededo Mall. What's the U here? Like I said, just to show you more of Liguan. And we'll call it Acapulco Street, right there on the right. Again, I hope everyone's doing good. Since Super Typhoon Mawar came and did its shit on Guam. Very unfortunate. A lot of people got affected by it. A lot of destruction, and a lot of businesses are closed at the moment. So that's unfortunate. Very sad, you know. And here you go. We take this right on this four-way, and it should bring us into Marine Drive. Some trees down here. It's my friend Joe's old house. Looks okay. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next driving tour and or video. Leave a comment down below what you think I should do next, and or if you like this video, like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace guys, I'm out.